read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's lesson is about uppercase and lowercase letter U. We will learn its formation, sound, vocabulary words, how to write it, how to pronounce its sound, and vocabulary words. And short story. So let's start. Start from the dot, come down, turn, go up. It will make capital U. Start from second line. Come down, turn, go straight up, come straight down, stop. It will make small U. The letter name is U. The sound of U is up. Umbrella. Up. Umbrella. There are two sounds of U. In nursery class, we will introduce both sounds. The first sound of U is up. Umbrella. And the second sound is U. Uniform. U. Uniform. Up. Uncle. Up. Earn. Up. Umbrella. Up. Uncle. Up. Earn. Uniform. You should wear uniform and keep it clean always. Understand others. Be patient and give others time to explain. Okay, now it's story time. Are you ready? So let's start. A little boy wore his uniform. Suddenly, heavy rain started. An uncle saw him. He shared his umbrella with the boy. The urn filled with water. I hope so. You enjoyed it a lot. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.